Guangzhou Huiteng Digital Technology Co. Ltd is a professional manufacturer of refurbished copiers. We purchase machines from Europe, Japan, and the United States. We have stable import channels. We can supply both refurbished and original machines directly. Our philosophy is to serve every customer well. We have a strict production process. All production processes are documented, visualized and standardized. The appearance of the machines in our factory can be almost as new as brand new machines. Most of the internal parts are original, and the performance can reach 90% of brand new machines. We have professional after-sales team and reliable warranty policy. Our engineers have experience in repairing tens of thousands of machines and can cope with all the faults. And our professional technicians can provide technical support at any time. We have served thousands of customers and achieved a good reputation over the 20 years of our company. Our company philosophy is dedicated to providing better machine quality and excellent service to dealers all over the world. Our focus is always on the effectiveness and stability of our machines. In addition, we have a large selection of 95% new used refurbished parts, fuser assembly, drum assembly, developer assembly, etc. We have our own production line and use OEM standards to remove parts from good machines. For refurbishment to ensure the quality of our products, our factory covers an extensive area with modern production halls and storage facilities to ensure that parts can be collected, sorted, inspected, repaired and packaged efficiently. All used parts are subject to a rigorous screening process, including appearance inspection, performance testing, cleaning treatment, and many other aspects, to ensure that only parts that meet the standards can move on to the next process. We value every customer's feedback and have set up a dedicated customer service center to collect and handle customer opinions. Through continuous improvement and optimization, we constantly enhance product quality and customer satisfaction. Our company is an important partner of Mitsubishi Corporation and CED Group in Japan. We have our own production line, mainly producing fixing film, fixing rollers, OPC drum and cleaning blade. We use specialized, standardized and large-scale production methods and high-quality products. With more than 20 years of experience in the offline industry, we have made a remarkable impact in the region with our high-quality products, excellent service and reliable after-sales service. We hope that our customers and friends will not only take away our products but also recognize our professionalism. We will use the most professional technology and high-quality products to provide comprehensive services to bring the best experience to our customers.